massive. I mean, I've been to some trade shows before and other events, but like nothing this big. When you walk in, you're kind of like, which way do I go? What do I look at first? There's a lot of stuff here.
I've been coming to every World of Asphalt since the early 2000s, and you got the guys that started in the business, and now we're seeing their sons and daughters in that business, in some cases even grandkids, and that's the fun part about this. It's a family, it's a culture.
This show is an outrageous resource for people to get information. It's an excellent show that puts us in direct contact with end users that are actively using equipment such as ours, and sometimes even ours.
It's a game changer. It builds excitement, for your team, if you can bring a team here, and it's just a great learning tool.
This is something that's fun. They get to look around, see what's coming up. We've been looking at new equipment to buy here. We've actually engaged in a couple big purchases that'll probably be made through this show, and they've been part of that. They've got to experience it and see some of the negotiations and the demonstrations of the products we're looking to buy that they actually will use.
The educational purposes of it is very helpful, especially if you're starting off at asphalt. I've done asphalt for 10 years now, and whenever I first came here 2 years ago in Nashville, I was expecting to walk in there and be like, you know what, I already know that, and then I realized real fast there's a lot more to asphalt than just laying it down and rolling it.
If you're in the asphalt industry, this is the show that you want to be at. This is where the equipment is for you.
Being able to see everything like right in front of you, it's not like hearing about it. You need to go see it and just come experience it. It's great. It's awesome. I would come back next week and do it again.